Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Diana Arumnugraini. I'm here. I want to present about function and understanding of the battery on the vehicle. Battery is a component of storing electric current that is commonly used to power an electrical circuit in a place where there is no electricity source. Battery function on the car. One. Turn on the starter to start the engine. 2. Open and lock the door lock, which is activated via the ignition. 3. Give a reference voltage to the ECU when the engine is not running. 4. Give induction current to the rotor alternator. Battery function on the motorcycle. 1. Turn on the starter system to start the engine. 2. Give flow to the dashboard as a vehicle-related information system. 3. Give a reference voltage to the ECU injection motor only. 4. Turn on the fuel pump when the engine is starting. Injection only. Battery is divided into two, namely dry battery and wet battery. Wet battery. Wet battery is a battery that contains liquid electrolyte or battery water in the form of sulfuric acid in it. Excess of wet battery. 1. The price is relatively cheap. 2. Can be used for a long time. 3. Many sold in the market. 4. If there are obstacles, it's easy to repair. Lack of wet battery. Electrolyte liquid are volatile, and 2. Need extra care because electrolytes are volatile. Dry battery. Dry battery is development of a wet battery. Excess of wet battery. 1. Easy maintenance. 2. The electrolyte fluid cycle evaporate. 3. Suitable for use who don't have time to check the battery. Lack of wet battery. 1. The price is more expensive. 2. If damaged, it is difficult to repair. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.